Hello everyone, tie the ponytail and then roll the hairs. Now fold it upward and fix it on the sides. Now tie rest of the hairs on the top and roll it down and fix it, and it's ready. Next, we will tie the half of the hairs on the back and rotate it. Divide the hairs and make the ponytail. Now fix them on the alternative sides. Fix the hairs on the downside by tying it like this, and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back, fold it upward and then put the hair clip. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts. Roll them and fix them inside the clips like this on the top. Now tie all the hairs together on the top, fold it down and fix it using the bun pin. Next, take the hairs from the sides and then put this clip. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix them inside the clips in these small sections like this. Next, we will take the hairs on the top and fix it like this after making the ponytail and the plait. Now divide it from the between and rotate it. Fix it over the bun and spread the rest of the hairs from the sides. Tie it like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a ponytail as shown in the video. Roll it upward and fix this bun pin. Now roll it down and tie it from the bottom. Fix the hairs inside and put the hair clutch over it. Next, we'll be tying the ponytail using the rubber band like this. Now fix the hairs in the half. Now tie it from the bottom. Fold it upward like this after tying it like this. Spread the hairs and fix it using the hair clutch. And your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs on the sides, roll them together and fix the hair. Now roll the hairs into small sections into 3 parts and then fix them inside the clips. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix it in the half. Pull it backward and then fix it inside the hairs. Now spread the hairs on the top and put the rubber band and fix it to tie it. And put the hair clutch. And it's ready. Next, make a ponytail. Put this hair clutch after folding it upward. Now tie it from the top and then roll it down using hairpins. Fix it on the top like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make a ponytail and then rotate it like this. After rotating the hairs, we will spread the hairs on the top. Now tie the hairs from the between, fold it upward like this and put this bun clutch over it and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs from the between and then fold it upward like this. After folding it, fix it on the top using the hair clutch and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be putting this hair clip on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the top, roll it and fix it inside the hair clips in these small sections like this from the sides as well, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the plaits on the hairs and then fold it upward like this to make a bun. Fix it using the hair clutch like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be making the hairs like this. So first, we will divide the hairs into 3 parts and tie the loose ponytails like this and then rotate it from the between. After that, we will join the hairs together using the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, we will fix this hair clip on the hairs like this. Now fix the small hairs in the between. Follow the same step for the other sides. Fix the hairs inside the clips in the small sections and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now take this bun clutch, roll the hairs together on the top using it, fold it upward and fix it inside the hairs like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll take the hairs and roll it using the fingers on the top like this, fold it and fix it using the hair clutch and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.